In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action to your HubSpot content. Specifically, we'll walk through how to add a call to action, or CTA, inside a marketing email using HubSpot's drag-and-drop email editor. Let's start inside your HubSpot marketing email. Make sure you're using the drag-and-drop email editor, not a legacy or HTML-only version. Once your email layout is open, you'll see a set of modules you can use to build your message. These usually include things like text, images, dividers, and buttons. To add a call to action, you'll first need to add a button to your email. In the Modules panel, look for the Button module. Click and drag that button module into your email layout and drop it exactly where you want your CTA to appear. This could be under a short introduction, after a product image, or near the bottom of the email as a final prompt. Try to place it where it naturally follows the message you're sharing, so it feels like a clear next step for the reader. Once the button module is in place, click on it to open the settings in the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can control what the button does when someone clicks on it. Instead of linking to a simple URL, you want to connect it to a HubSpot CTA so you can track performance and use enhanced analytics. In the sidebar, find the drop-down labeled Link To. Click that drop-down, and from the list of options, select CTA. This tells HubSpot that this button should be powered by one of your existing call to actions rather than just a standard link. After choosing CTA, you'll see a button labeled Select. Click Select to open the list of CTAs that already exist in your HubSpot account. This list might include things like download offers, demo requests, sign-up buttons, or links to important landing pages. Browse through the list and choose the CTA that best matches the goal of your email. For example, if your email is about a new guide, choose the CTA that promotes downloading that guide. Once you've selected it, confirm your choice. The button in your email is now connected to that specific HubSpot CTA. From here, you can adjust the button's text, color, and alignment to make sure it stands out and clearly communicates what you want people to do. When you're finished, preview and test your email to confirm the CTA behaves as expected before you hit send.